Utopia Kitchen Nonstick Saucepan Set 1 quart and 2 quart, glass lid, multi-purpose used for home kitchen or restaurant. Spiral and induction bottom, set contains of 2 quart saucepan with induction bottom which can be used on all cooking surfaces and a 1 quart saucepan with spiral bottom which can be used only on traditional gas stoves. Set of 2, the set comprises of 1 quart saucepan and 1 2 quart saucepan. The pans carry a thickness of 3 mm with a 2-layer non-stick coating inside and a heat-resistant paint on the outside. Convenience, a black Bakelite handle for easy handling of the pan per second and a 4 mm glass lid with Bakelite knob to keep the food protected. Multi-purpose, whether it's boiling pasta, making sauces, preparing meat or reheating leftovers, these saucepans will serve you for good. Care instructions: hand wash the pans with hot soapy water and dry them using a soft cotton or linen towel. Use a plastic or wooden utensil to keep the non-stick coating in great shape. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.